Hi, I'm Scott McClintock, former prosecutor, Henderson County State's Attorney, and founder of McClintock Law, a criminal defense firm located in Monmouth, Illinois. Well, a lot of people want to assume that now that THC is completely legal in the state of Illinois, that means that you can have it anywhere, smoke it at any time, have any amount, and that is not the case. You can't drive around in Illinois smoking a joint, or you face, possible legal ramifications and criminal charges. You can smoke on private property as long as there is no one under the age of 21 in your presence. If there are children around, you are not supposed to be smoking around them. You can be charged with child endangerment besides any violations of the Cannabis Control Act. Generally, if you have an ounce of THC in your private residence, you're going to be okay. If you have an ounce of the white powder, you're not going to be okay. When you are transporting THC that you purchased at the dispensary, you need to be careful, make sure that it's in a sealed container, that it hasn't been tampered with. You pretty much have to go from the dispensary to whatever residence that you will be consuming this at. If it's just open in a brown paper sack, then you face criminal charges. The legal limit to drive in Illinois is 5 nanograms per milliliter of the presence of THC Delta 9 in your bloodstream. So how do we know if you're over the 5 nanograms per milliliter? Well, as a rule of thumb, if you've smoked in the last couple hours, your nanograms per milliliter in your bloodstream will skyrocket. If you get pulled over with a large amount of an illicit substance in your car, do not attempt to minimize by saying, yes, officer, I only have a joint in my car, or a little bit of flour, maybe half an ounce. That will give them probable cause to search your car and find the rest of the stuff, and I guarantee you they will. They either have to have probable cause to search or obtain a search warrant. I would never give consent. Even if there's nothing in your vehicle, there's no reason for them to be going through your vehicle. I would never consent to a search. If they're alleging that they smell the odor of cannabis, fresh cannabis or burnt cannabis in the vehicle, that may give them the right to search that vehicle, but that's determined on a case-by-case basis, and that's something that we would challenge should the time arise.